This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with a quick video. As we see the market start the month of November with a sharp move. As far as world markets are concerned, we can see here that the S&P 500 is on day number 4 for this month to the upside. So far for the month, we can see it is up about 7 to 8%. That's a huge move for any market, especially a big market like the S&P 500. And we can see this is day number 4, essentially, of this daily multiple percentage gain move over the last days or so. Especially, this is a new move for the month of November. But that's not the point. The point is, what I would like to stress here is, as we see the weekly, with this market push, we are seeing a lot of stocks moving. To be honest, every single stock I follow essentially is on the upside, and not just by a little bit, by a huge bunch. So we can see here as markets are pushing higher, making intraday highs. By the way, I should also mention, as of right now on the monthly charts, the S&P 500 is pushing or doing its best to break out, which means that if it can hold above August's monthly closing high, if this breakout can hold, then it means that a lot of these instruments that are already moving are going to see a tremendous upside if the market can hold the breakout. We also know that if the market reverses and this breakout fails on a monthly time frame, remember it might take months to play out, then that might be that a lot of the instruments moving are going to start stalling. Now, what's the point of this video? The point of this video is there's a lot of stocks moving. Now, this is my daily scan, and this past week, today being a Thursday, ever since Monday, there have been hundreds of breakouts. I mean, every day I have just seen, and I'm sure everybody's experiencing this, stocks are taking off. And so the question becomes, what do you do? There's so many candidates. All of these are breakout alerts. As you can see, all of these are moving. So the question becomes, which ones should I focus on? Which ones should I bring to the attention of paid subscribers? Oh, and by the way, let me share with you just briefly here my alert log. So this is the log for today's alerts on. There's so many. All right, so this is today's breakout. As you can see, my alert log right here, and you can see for today. Now, this list is very long. If I just scroll down, you can see there's lots of breakouts, and this is just today alone, and we are not even past 2 hours of today's trading session. So these are just today's breakouts. In fact, I wasn't even done going through yesterday's breakout. So a lot of candidates. What's the point of this video? You might be asking. I want to give you a simple trick. So this is lots of options here, but there's a simple trick if you want to remove the noise. What one can do is take your list, take your highest gainers for the day. So today's gainers, the higher the percentage gain for today. Remember, the entire market is moving. So the instruments that are leading the push higher actually are the ones that are going to be the longer term percentage winners. In other words, the higher the gain for the day. This is how you can filter through, or one way to filter through which ones. So today's gainers. So what I do here is I take one by one, the ones that are breaking out or about to break out, and I go through them from the highest gainers going down. So if I was looking for just one instrument to buy today, I would go for the highest percentage gain today and the one that meets my minimum requirement. Now, something else also to do is make sure that whatever you're buying is in the leadership sector of the market. So you have to also consider the sector performance. So you combine today's percentage gain, and you have to, so that you don't own an instrument that is just going to move slightly and then start stalling. If the market is moving higher, there's going to be a leadership sector. There's going to be a leadership theme. This is where you should put your concentration. And because the candidates are so many, what I'm saying in this video is just concentrate on the top gainers on the day. Top gainers of the day, as long as they meet the minimum requirements and they are also in great sectors that have been moving, this is where you want to focus. So if I was looking for one instrument today, just one, I would go for whatever's breaking out today and has the highest gain on my list. Because what happens over time and in time, what you come to experience and understand is that the ones that are moving powerfully, even on a daily basis, tend to be the ones that have the highest gain in the weeks, months, and years ahead. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love, light, love. Namaste.